What up, dude?
What's happening? What a great day, huh?
Man, it's been a great day so far, and it's about to get even better, I think.
Where are we headed?
Let's head, we're going to take the 128. We're going to do the LaSalle Loop because we're getting late in the day. One of our viewers told us that was a pretty spectacular loop. Actually, I think it was the owner of Navtech told us that.
Yes.
Boy, these guys are cruising, right?
And Justin told us it was a great one too.
Yeah. So, get out of this road construction. It's down by that footbridge that we've seen. So we'll turn right there. We'll follow the Green River up, or it's the Little Colorado River up, you know, like 15 miles or so.
Oh, that's going to be really awesome.
Yeah, and then there's turn off and we'll just take the loop. And looked like there was a little bit of weather up there, so I don't know what we're going to run into. It's nice and sunny down here.
Yeah, it's actually kind of warm and nice. It looked like it was snowing on top, but we're not going up there. I know that. So
we'll be just below, and we're at 4,000 feet here in Moab, and right now it's 73 degrees. It's really nice.
So this is going to be great, man. We're going to just continue on this journey and see some epic stuff here in southern Utah.
Yeah, this is a road we've not been on before, so I'm excited to see what it brings. All right, we're going to turn up here to the right in about a half a mile. So, well, let's see what we come upon, and I'll see you down the road.
You got it. See you down the road.
Later. LC, where you at, dude?
I am, I don't know if it's the LaSalle Canyon or what it is called, but it is amazing, man. It's these tight turns, and we're looking down in this valley that's amazing.
Yeah, this is the LaSalle Loop outside of Moab. You turn up the 128, then there's a turnoff for this loop, and it's, you know, we're sitting about 8,000 feet, 7,500 feet to be exact, and it's about 59 degrees. So
I mean, is it just everything here is just complete mind-blowing all the time? Mind-blowing?
I mean, it's, you know,
I mean, look down there.
Yeah, I got you.
And then look over here. We're snow now.
We are in the snow.
I mean, this is incredible.
So we're gonna does that road, it looks like we may go right through that snow patch. Yeah, we'll be over there in a few minutes. So yeah, this takes you all the way around. It's a beautiful ride, and it'll drop us south of Moab, and then we'll kind of cruise in. We were hoping to get to the Arches tonight. I don't think that's going to happen. So may have to go in the morning for a minute before we leave. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll do it like we do everything. We'll play it by ear. But look down there, man. So pumped. And this is such a relaxing ride. We're just like having a good old time.
Yeah, we're not ripping or anything.
Cattle guard ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was the weather, and what's the detail on that?
How is the weather?
Yeah, what's the chance? What temperature are we running?
We haven't changed. We're at 59.
Did you say that already?
Yes, I did.
I'm just sitting here in La La Land checking all this beautiful stuff out.
Yeah, and I do see off to our right there's a dirt road. It looks pretty well maintained. Maybe we should do a little, Josh wants in. Maybe we should do a little off-roading.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. So it looks like they must have had a forest fire through here. There were some big fires in southern Utah a few years back, but looks like this one's been a while.
Look at that. Man.
There's some definite snowpack up there.
Yeah, and the weather's getting a little bit cooler now, but I don't care. It feels great.
It's 56 if you want to know.
Yeah, we can handle that. We are going up into the snow area here.
Look at that, Miners Basin Trailhead. Let's go take that.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Up here in the quake and aspen and the pines. I'll bet this is beautiful in the fall of the year.
Oh yeah.
The changing of colors, you know.
So we've definitely had a variety so far in these 3 days.
We've had a variety for sure.
I mean, we have a variety every time we go on a trip, but this is just how come they keep getting more mind-blowing every time we go?
Well, we're seeing some places also we haven't seen before. Like, we've never been up here.
Cattle guard.
You know, so it's the first time seeing this. It's pretty darn cool. And to look down on that valley floor and see all those, you know, pillars out of rock sticking out and all the structures down there, it's pretty darn crazy.
And this road has the twists all over it.
Oh, you don't call them twisties though, right?
I actually said twist.
I know.
You know.
You just cut that whole corner in half.
I'm just like,
I know. You're not even talking to Josh, right? You're in your own zone up there.
I'm zoning like a zone.
You're a zombie. Look at that. This is gonna great over the top here. It's gonna look really cool. Look at those clouds. Oh
man. Wow.
All right, well, let's see where this road takes us. I don't know how much longer we're on it. We got to make our way down at some point.
Yeah, I don't even know what the height of the summit is here. We're probably about 8,000 feet now, aren't we?
Or 8,200.
Ooh.
And we dropped down to 53, so, you know.
Not a lot of snowpack up here, but it's kind of dry looking. See you down the road.
Down the road. We are at the branding iron just outside of Moab, Utah. We haven't done a very good job this trip of filming our food, so let's just check and see what the boys have. Okay, well that was good.
That wasn't too bad. I got a 10 ounce, what do they call it, a flat iron steak?
That is a flat iron.
Flat iron steak. Mashed potatoes, beans, fried bread.
6 ounce flat iron, mashed potatoes, gravy, and the spread.
That's a fried bread, Indian fried bread, right?
Indian fried bread,
yeah.
You know, and a Bud Light.
And I too went with the 6 ounce, but I went with the baked potato, a little bit of sour cream, some beans, fried bread.
So, you know, after a full day of riding in some beautiful country, we're sitting down, we're gonna have some dinner, break some bread with each other, and talk about what a great day.
Why don't you take a bite just to check it out?
It's actually surprisingly tender.
All right.
I was expecting a tough
Hey, check
Wednesday,
these out. These
Wow.
beans, look like they got some meat in it.
Feels good.
Really good.
All right, glad we stopped. See you down the road.
Where we at?
What up, man? We just had a great dinner and we run into another guy here that knows us.
It's Nick, and what's your handle, Nick?
Hobo Architect.
Follows on Instagram. So we're riding down Main Street in Moab, Utah. Came over to, what is this place called? Navtech. Josh left his sweatshirt. Dude, we saw him, we waved, spins around, pulls in.
An illegal U-turn in a Mormon town.
There you go.
With a bunch of...
Well, cool, man.
So you never know what
Appreciate
happens
you.
on the
Yeah,
two
of
lanes
course,
or
man.
the open roads or the towns.
Did you guys get hit in that storm too?
Yeah.